Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again, and today I'm gonna show you the best VS Code extensions because I know that you probably use VS Code like me as well, but I also know that you have so many questions about what themes I am using, what plugins I am using. So that's why I thought about creating this video, and this video is gonna be interesting because I'll cover the themes or extension whatever you want to see for Flutter as well and for web as well, like for React as well. So I have two projects open. One is the React project and another one is my Flutter project, which is the Flutter UI kit. And now I'll talk about all the extensions which we can use here. So first of all, you will go to this extension tab and you have to write auto close. So this is my first extension. This is the auto close tag extension, which can be very useful. Let me just show you how. So if you'll go to this any React code, then let's write a tag, let's say div. So if I'll write div, then you can see that it auto closes this particular tag, and as this can be really help you in achieving this particular thing without wasting your time. So this is my first extension, the auto close tag extension. Then the second one is also very similar, which is the auto rename tag. Okay, so this auto rename tag is also the one of the good extensions which you can get. And now if I'll write let's say div, okay, so as you can see, because I'm using auto close, so it is giving me this closed tag as well. But now if let's say I change the first one, I rename it to something else, let's say I name it strong, then you can see that the closed the tag is also gonna change by itself. So it's kind of very easy in that scenario. Now let's talk about the third extension, which is the better comments. So this is, guys, again one of the best extensions. I know that better comments can be very useful. You can write beautiful comments as well as it can help you a lot. Let's say I have this OTP controller is gonna break, so I can write comments and then I can use any exclamation mark to make it red, so that I know that this is kind of a warning that this OTP controller is gonna break. So as you can see, this looks like a danger sign here, and this is just a comment yet, but it will give you this color by which you can just see it and you can feel that it's gonna be very difficult. Then you can also add to-dos here like this, and then you can write that I have to change it later. So this is how you can use to-dos. Then let me show you something else. Let's say you want to have some kind of question, so then you can use this question mark and do I really need it? So this is how you can use multiple type of comments. And there is one more information comment which is also very useful, which you can use with star, that information. And trust me, guys, this is like this will help you a lot because it helps me a lot. I am using it a lot in my projects. So moving to fourth extension, which is the color highlight extension. So if you will write color highlight, then it will show up. And okay, my internet is slow, I don't know why, but color highlight, yeah, this one is also very useful. Let's say string, one second guys, string my color, and let's say I am using hash FFFFF, then you can see that it is giving me this color. It is highlighting this color, which can be very useful. And let's say I have one more my color, and now I'm gonna change it to, let's say what else, 3B6 at FE. Then you can see the color. So it's kind of very useful when you are writing hex codes, and it can be pretty useful for you. So moving to the next extension, so you wanted to know like what themes I am using. So mostly I am using the custom themes, and I change my themes regularly, but there is a person who has created some themes which is kind of very good. So you have to go to your extension menu again, and you have to write fantastic themes. So the first theme which will come, the IU Darkula group box etc., is kind of this theme it's very good by Sergio. And now if you will, oh wait, we have some issue with this color picker, so let's try once more if we could get it done. Oh, so this color picker is not working unfortunately, so let's leave it. We have so many extensions still. So let's talk about the fantastic theme. So now once you install, you'll just press Command KT or Control KT, and you can see this theme with this F symbol on the left are the themes which I am using. So right now I'm using this IU one, then it has Dracula, Group Box, Material, Monokai, Oceanic, One Dark, Slime, and all the themes are beautiful. So you can use this theme. I'm using right now IU, and I am kind of very happy with this theme. So next, moving to the next extension, which is I hope that you might be knowing it, but if you don't know, then it is Git Lens. So Git Lens is one of the best extension I have ever seen for for using Git. So you know, if you will see this file, then you can see that it has this message on the top, you a few seconds ago, one author, and this kind of message which can definitely help you. Let's go to login block, and here you will see that I have changed this 4 minutes ago, and there is one author. And then also you can see 4 minutes ago uncommitted change, and you can also see the change if you just pressed it. And yeah, this is the change you have done. And then also if you'll go to let's say we'll go to cart block, then you'll see that I changed it 8 months ago. If I'll click here, then you can see that I got a lot of options, and I'm thinking about covering this particular. And if you click on any line, you will see that, you know, what was the commit when it was written, product detail completed. So I'm thinking about making a separate video on this particular extension, because it's like it has so many things, and it's one of the best extension. So moving to another one, it's another brilliant extension, and the extension name is Image Preview. So it's also one of the good extensions. I know what it helps with is it gives you an image preview. So if I'll go here, then here you will definitely see one of the images for sure. Just wait. So you can see this is the image I'm talking about. So you can see the preview on the left hand side, on this icon on the left hand side. So this actually helps a lot. So this is again one of the best extensions. So now moving to another extension, which is again for web developers mostly, and the name of the extension is Import Cost. Okay, what does it mean? So if you'll just search Import Cost, the first extension which will come with this this symbol on the left hand side, you can remember it. So what it does is, let's say if you go to your project file, so if I'll go to this index.js, then you can see that, you know, the size of this particular import, how much cost it involves. So you can see React DOM takes a lot of size, and that's kind of important for you. Next extension I'll talk about would be the live server. So you can go here, write live server. Okay, this is wrong, live server. So this one is one of the great extension. Again, it will help you in running your web application live. No, this is not the one, the second one is the one. And then what you can see whenever you will use this index.js, then you have this option go live on the bottom, which you can click and you can run the live server. You can see your folders as well there on the web. So this is also very useful. Then we will move to another great extension, which is Prettier, and it really helps a lot because it will help you in formatting your code, and I definitely recommend this extension as well. So the first one is the Prettier, and it will definitely help you in format your document. You can press format document by Command Shift P, or you can also enable from the settings that on save it auto formats your code. So it's another brilliant extension. Then we'll go to VSCode great icons. So this is the one, and VSCode great icons. So as you can see, it's not showing the image. I don't know why internet is why it is so slow. I have taken a lot of your time, but don't worry, this video is worth watching. So this is the VS Code Create icons extension, which can really help you in watching those icons. And if I'll go here, then you can see I have these icons associated with index.html, favicon, js, and if I'll go to my Dart project, then you can see the Dart icon, as well as if I'll go here, then you can see images icon, the Android, then we have this build.gradle icon, the elephant symbol. So this is how it will help you, and it's good, it's really good to have. So next will be the bracket pair colorizer. So if you are making a Flutter project, then definitely you will have a lot of parentheses inside your application. So if this particular extension will help you a lot. How? Because it will show you these braces. So if it's, let's say I have this method which has like this brace, which is of color little bit light blue, and then it is having this pink color, so I can easily identify my bracket colors, and then on the top it is having this yellow color. So it certainly helps a lot. And if I don't know if it's loading or not, but this will definitely help you. So even if my internet is not working properly, you should definitely search it and you will find it for sure. And the last one is one of the amazing extension again, and that one is carbon asset. So if you write blogs, or if you write maybe articles, and if you need some screenshots of your code, then this extension can really help you. Carbon asset, I don't know why my internet is not working, but you have to try it, man. I don't know why it's not working for me, but you can try it, and then you will find this extension. And what you have to do, let's select a pair of code from here. So let's see, I am selecting this dispose method. So after selecting, I can press Command Shift A, and Command Alt A, and then it will open this particular like web page for me, as because my internet stopped working. So it will not open right now, but it will make this kind of stuff here, which I am showing you. So this will give you this code with this beautiful like a page or something, or a container. So you can just tweet it, you can export it, and it looks beautiful. So I guess that's it. So I'll cover more extension, more themes in my future video, but for February 2019, these are some of the best extension you can use. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button, and please subscribe to the channel if you like the content, and also press the bell icon for future updates. Thank you so much guys for watching, and sorry for those 2-3 extension which didn't work because of the internet. I don't have much time, so I'm not gonna shoot it again. So I hope you can understand. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye.